A few months ago, I started 47 avocado seeds in soil. Now, from previous experiments, I'd found out that avocado seeds started in soil start much faster than those started in water with toothpicks. So today, now that it's been a few months, let's see what's going on. Come with me. As is to be expected, a number of the seeds have already sprouted a shoot and are growing quite quickly. There are some unusual ones which are sprouting 2 or 3 stems as well. This is due to them being polyembryonic. I'd like to make a video about this in the future, it's pretty interesting. Height is really becoming an issue for some of the trees on the shelves. This one has grown up through the spaces in the shelf and is continuing to get taller and taller, but I'm not after the tallest possible trees, because as I've discussed before, avocado trees do better after being pruned to add some thickness to their stems. These are quite tall but also very flimsy. If any kind of wind comes along, the whole tree's just going to bend in the breeze. So I'm going to want to prune these guys. So we're going to do that. So I get my secateurs, find a node and prune. Now I expect them to develop a little more thickness to their trunks as they continue to grow. Their stem will continue to grow from the node. Now I'll put them back. Out of the 47 avocado seeds planted, so far 13 have begun to grow above the ground. But there are bound to be a few more growing roots with shoots on the way. But even if we just get a 1 in 4 success rate, I'm pretty happy. The ones I can see are growing are all doing very well and I feel encouraged. So there we have a number of young avocado trees growing in there. I'm going to keep them in this sheltered house. I'm not going to zip it up, it's too warm for that, but it doesn't get a heap of sun over here. It gets a little bit, so it's still warm, and it does get some light, just not direct sunlight in the mid parts of the day where it's the hottest. And well, now we keep waiting. I will give you another update in another couple of months probably. It's still it's still midsummer, and so we've still got a couple of months of growing left until they kind of go into hibernation over winter. So hopefully we'll get another update in between now and then. As for now, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you want to tell me something, you can find me on Instagram, or you can leave a comment in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.